Hello everyone, today we have the 2022 Ram 1500 Laramie in diamond black crystal pearl with the sports package. Let's check it out. Amazing black on black 1500 with the powerful Hemi V8 5.7 liters, 20-inch polished wheels and protected bed liner. Let's check it out inside. So this is a truck that can do it all. You can work with this truck, you can play with this truck, you can actually haul your family in here. You see the technology package we have here. This is a 12-inch screen, center console, very configurable. You can see a lot of storage space. You can go one click, two clicks you have here. You see full deep bin here. When you see this dashboard, the first thing that comes to your mind is not a truck, it's a luxury vehicle. You can see dual screens here, 12.5, right? You can see a lot of space back there. 6'5", no problem, they can fit there. The Ram 1500 Laramie combines ruggedness and luxury in a reliable package. If you want to know more about it, you can visit us at 900 St-Laurent Boulevard or call us at 604-0406. Have a great day.